Hello everyone, CH here. Welcome to another episode of Bitget Tutorials. Before we begin, here's a fun fact. Did you know that Bitget is the world's first and largest copy trading crypto exchange? That's why in today's episode, we'll be showing you how to copy trade futures in just 5 easy steps.
First, hover over copy trading and click futures copy trading. Then you will need to select a trader with no full label attached and click their profile. If you want to know how to filter copy traders like a pro, watch our previous video. We've provided the link in the top right and in the description below. Once you're in your selected trader's profile, you can view their trading data and trading pairs they use. Click follow. Next, choose your futures trading pairs here. You can also choose the margin mode here and set your risk parameters here. Under margin mode, you can choose either fixed amount or multiplier. If you select fixed amount and key in 100 USDT, it would mean that you would automatically invest 100 USDT each time your copy trader opens a position. If you select multiplier mode and key in 1x, it means that you would open the exact same position amount as your copy trader. 0.5x means half the position amount, and 2x means twice the position amount. If you're risk averse, you can set your stop loss and take profit ratios. You can also set a maximum copy trade amount between 1 to 50,000 USDT. Or better still, you could completely trust your copy trader. Once you're done, hit next. Confirm your details, and we're off to the races.
And there you have it. You've just successfully copied a trader on Bitget. If you've enjoyed this video, please help us grow by hitting that like and subscribe button. For new users, earn a bonus of up to 5,005 USDT when you download the Bitget app today. And if you'd like to keep up with all things Bitget, check out and follow our socials listed in the description box below. Stay tuned for more Bitget tutorials like these, and we will see you next time. Cheers.